Are you having difficulty with your communication skills in a way that is going to prevent you from getting the very best job or position you might get otherwise? If that's true, I'd love you to attend one of my Would You Hire Yourself keynotes or workshops. I do those on college campuses, and if there's a chance that I'm not going to get to appear on your campus, you can still take advantage of my workshops by getting in touch with me at the link below, where you can find out how to attend a remote session of Would You Hire Yourself. I'm Glenn Rudin, the Message Master, and I look forward to interacting with you and seeing you being an attendee of one of my Would You Hire Yourself remote workshops. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you soon.